All right, so today I'm going to show you how to regain access to your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold in case you've forgotten your lock screen password, PIN, or pattern, and you cannot log in, or rather, you cannot go past the lock screen into your phone. How do you recover your phone? So to do this, you're going to have to perform a hard reset via recovery mode, and keep in mind that this is going to erase all your data, and then you'll have to set up your phone afresh. And while you're setting it up, at some point, you're going to have to log into the Google account that was on the phone before you did that hard reset, just for Google to confirm you're the actual owner of this phone. Okay, so those are the steps. Now, to go into recovery mode, just grab a computer and connect a data cable from the computer to the phone. Okay, it could be the data cable that came in the box. If you have a Type-C port on your computer, if you're using one of those older computers with only Type-A USB ports, then you need a Type-A data cable, as long as you have a connection from the computer to the phone. Now, let's put our phone in recovery mode. So we're going to force a shutdown first by pressing and holding the volume down and power buttons. And then as soon as it shuts down, you're going to count 3 seconds. And then while still holding the power button, you're going to shift to long pressing on the volume up button. And when the Samsung logo appears, we'll let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. That's going to put this phone in recovery mode. So let's do that. So power volume down, press and hold. Just keep holding. You're going to see the power menu. Just ignore it. Just keep holding. It should go off. There you go. Now let's switch to volume up while still holding the power button. Just keep holding. We're just waiting for that Samsung logo. There you go. Now you can let go and continue holding volume up. And this should put the phone in recovery mode. There you go. So that's how to do that. At this point, you can actually remove the data cable because we are already in recovery mode. And now what you need to do is navigate in recovery mode using the volume rockers. So volume down to scroll down and volume up to scroll up. And basically what you're trying to do is go and highlight wipe data / factory reset. Once that is highlighted, you select using the power button. So select that and then scroll down again to factory data reset and then select using the power button, and that's going to reset this phone back to factory settings. It's going to tell you once it's done, it's going to say data wipe complete, as you can see right at the bottom there. So now it's time to reboot system. So make sure reboot system now is highlighted and then press the power button to reboot system. Now the phone should boot back up to the original setup screen. Now, once the phone boots up, it's time to set it up afresh. So let's select language. I'm going to choose English United States. Okay. And now that you have the correct language, let's continue with the setup process. It's just a normal setup. Now, at this point, it's going to prompt you to set up using another device. Now, if you have another device that you have the password for, you can go ahead and set it up. But of course, for me, I'm going to set it up manually. So I'll select that. And then it's going to warn me that an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device. That's what I was talking about. So as soon as you connect to Wi-Fi, it's going to prompt you to sign in to that Google account. So we are connected. Let's tap on next. It says it's getting the phone ready. And on the next page, as you can see, it's asking for our password. Remember, we forgot this password. So what you need to do is tap on use my Google account instead. So we're basically circumventing the password by signing in with our Google account. So go ahead and sign in. Once you put in the correct email address and password and tap on next, now it tells you to sign in with the account you want to proceed using. But you'll notice this time we now have a skip option. Just because we've already verified our identity, you can just skip this and then continue setting up your phone. Okay. Now, it's going to prompt you now if you want to copy apps and data from another phone, you can do that. or you can select don't copy and set up your phone manually. So again, I'm going to skip that and tap on skip. Now you can see the protect your phone. It basically allows you to continue with the setup process of your phone, and it's should be straightforward from here. Please wait. Let's just wait for that. There you go. Recommended apps, next, next, and we're all set up. See, we have gained access into our phone, having circumvented the password, pin, or pattern that we forgot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.